Was a young girl, full of dreams and aspirations. She had a bright smile that could light up the entire village. She lived in a small village, nestled among the hills, where everyone knew each other. The village was her entire world, filled with the warmth of community and the simplicity of rural life. Priya was known for her hard work and dedication. From a young age, she took on responsibilities that many children her age would shy away from. She was always seen helping out, whether it was in the fields or at home. She always helped her family with a smile on her face. Her parents relied on her, and she never let them down. Priya's sense of duty was remarkable for someone so young. Priya worked in the fields, tending to the crops and ensuring that the family had enough to eat. The sun was often harsh, but she never complained. She knew the importance of her work. She also helped her mother at home, doing household chores and taking care of her younger siblings. Priya's day was filled with tasks, but she managed them all with grace and efficiency. Priya went to school too. She loved to study, and was always eager to learn new things. Education was her escape, her way of dreaming about a better future. She was one of the brightest students in her class. Priya wanted to become a doctor. She dreamed of wearing a white coat and helping people in need. Her ambition was fueled by the lack of medical facilities in her village. She wanted to make a difference. She knew it would be difficult. The path to becoming a doctor was long and filled with challenges, but Priya was not one to give up easily. She was prepared to face any obstacle that came her way, but Priya was determined to work hard. Her determination was her greatest strength. She believed in herself and her dreams, and she knew that with hard work and perseverance, she could achieve anything she set her mind to. Becoming a doctor was a big dream for Priya. Ever since she was a little girl, she had always been fascinated by the idea of helping people and making a difference in their lives. She imagined herself wearing a white coat, stethoscope around her neck, and a warm smile on her face as she treated her patients. It needed lots of studying. Priya studied every day. She studied after school, in the library, and even at home. Her room was filled with books and notes, and she spent hours going through them, making sure she understood every concept. She even studied late at night. While her friends played outside, enjoying their free time, Priya was at her desk, under the glow of her desk lamp, determined to grasp every detail. The nights were long and sometimes tiring, but she never gave up. Sometimes Priya wanted to play too. She would look out the window, watching her friends laugh and have fun. The temptation to join them was strong, but she reminded herself of her goal. But she knew studying was important. Priya understood that to achieve her dream, she had to make sacrifices. She stayed focused, her eyes on the prize, knowing that all her hard work would pay off in the end. Priya wanted to achieve her dream. She was determined to become a doctor, to help those in need and to make her family proud. Her journey was just beginning, but she was ready for the challenge. Many years passed. Priya kept working hard, often burning the midnight oil. She balanced her studies with part-time jobs to support her family. Her determination was unwavering, and she never let obstacles deter her from her goals. She finished school with high marks, earning accolades and scholarships. Her teachers and peers admired her dedication and perseverance. At her high school graduation, she was honored as the valedictorian, a testament to her relentless effort. She then went to college, where she continued to excel academically. Priya chose a challenging major, knowing it would bring her closer to her dream. She joined various clubs and organizations, building a network of supportive friends and mentors. Priya studied to become a doctor, dedicating countless hours to her coursework and practical training. She participated in internships and volunteer programs, gaining valuable experience and making a difference in her community. Finally, Priya achieved her dream. She became a doctor, graduating with honors. Her family and friends celebrated her success, knowing how hard she had worked to reach this milestone. Priya helped many people in her village, providing much-needed medical care. She set up health camps and awareness programs, ensuring that even the most underserved had access to healthcare. Everyone was proud of her hard work. The community celebrated her achievements, and Priya became a role model for young girls, showing them that with hard work and determination, they too could achieve their dreams. Priya's story teaches us a big lesson. Hard work makes our dreams come true. It might be tough, but don't give up. Keep working towards your goals. If you liked Priya's story, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Easy English for more inspiring stories.